How to go incognito on Safari iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on the tabs icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open the tab overview, allowing you to see and manage all your currently open web pages. In the tab overview, you will see the tab groups at the bottom. From the menu that appears, select the private option on the left. Tap on the plus icon on the bottom left corner. This will open a new private browsing window up on your screen. When you use private browsing, Safari won't remember the pages you visited, your search history, or your autofill information after you close a tab. Following these steps, you can easily go incognito on Safari on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.